Last time we met Sean and Jillian and learnt a little bit about their colour story.
Well, it's Sean's little Caribbean beach shed.
What sort of colours are we talking?
Bright colours, neon green, like bright.
Now we're going to roll up our sleeves and give their backyard bar the colourful refresh they're looking for.
Excited to get started. See some colour on that shed.
It's about time. That shed needs some loving.
After our initial meeting with Carlene, I loved her ideas, the beautiful muted tones and so on. It turned more Caribbean.
With the final colour scheme, Sean and Jillian want to draw on Sean's Caribbean heritage. They created their colours using the Colorsmith reader and app, making it easy to get the perfect colours. Sean and Jillian have selected a light grey on the exterior, while the interior will add a splash of colour in the aqua green. We'll finish off by painting the ceiling as well as the fence behind a darker grey to create a beautiful contrast. Because we're painting a shed, we want to make sure we use products that last. So we're using Taubman's all-weather exterior paint. It's self-priming, fast drying, and will make sure this backyard hangout is looking good for years to come. To work out how much paint you'll need, work out the dimensions of your walls and add them together to get your square meterage. This will avoid you running out of paint midway through a coat. Now before we start, we need to clear the space, clean the exterior and sand any rough spots. Now it's time to paint. Starting from the top and working our way down, we'll cut in around the edges and hard to reach areas first. A painting tip. You want to work in short horizontal brush strokes. Then smooth over the wet painted areas with long brush strokes to get a smooth, even finish.
I cannot stop smiling. I wanted to sleep in the shed last night.
First get together is tonight. He's already invited all the neighbours.
The shed is reborn.
We've definitely grown in colour confidence. Sean's always been super confident with colour. I've finally come along for the ride. Yeah.
That's the shed, man.
And look at that smile.
A little colour inspiration and a day of painting has turned this bland backyard bar into a colourful neighbourhood hangout, giving Sean and Jillian some colour confidence along the way.